Hello guys, and welcome back. And I've actually got block 2 wired up here, and block 2 is actually, if you look up here, the green line, it's actually going to be the industrial branch line that leads to phase 2, as well as the main line. So but what I've got here, everything is wired up exactly as it was before. I've got some ties. I'm going to tie the corresponding block wires together and kind of label them, just, you know, when I get everything in here, because it is starting to get a little messy, and that's only 2 blocks. But what I've got here is I've got my main line here, then I've got a passing siding here, which is where the box cars are at, and then I've got the branch line here. And again, I don't have the bus wire installed yet for either block 1 or block 2, so I'm just basically running the power leads straight out to the feeder wires, which I've just got temporarily twisted together. So this was more for just a demonstration. 7563, it's got some issues. It needs to be cleaned a little bit, so hopefully it'll cooperate here. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and start 7598. Just run it a little slow there, and I'm gonna go ahead and kick in 7563 there. And as you can see, they're both running independently. If I stop the one on the main line, you know, he's backing up, and the one on the branch line is still moving forward. So go ahead and stop 7598, and you can see the 7563 is wanting to die there just a little bit, and that's probably because I don't have my feeder spaced out yet. I've only got one feeder. Only got one feeder wire dropped for the branch line. So let's see here. A little bit of power. And get him backing up. There we go. And I definitely have some issues in my track as well, where I had to use code 83 and code 100, so I'm seeing some issues there as well. But you know, as you can see, I mean, I can control these things independent of each other. Again, 7563 needs a little bit of a cleaning there, but yeah, that's how it's turning out. And the good thing is you know, I can run as many engines as I want on any of these blocks. The only downside is I am only using 2 power cabs here. So you know, if I run, say, 4 engines or 4 locomotives on 4 different blocks, they are going to have to run at the same momentum, just simply because I've only got 2 power sources here. But I can control the direction independently, and that's why I dropped these slider switches in here. So you know, I've got a direction switch on my power pack here, but you know, if I'm running more than, you know, if I'm running more than 1 locomotive on say cab 1, and I flip the direction, then both locomotives are going to change direction. This way here, I can change the direction of any locomotive independently of the other one. So that's how it's turning out. And so I guess now I'm just going to go ahead and get this finished, but I wanted to share this video with you guys and show you you know, how I wire up a DC layout as far as running multiple locomotives. So I hope this was helpful, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.